At the end of Metafacturing and the use case casting, for us, the main outcome was to add additional sensors at the casting facilities. So we added 2 thermal cameras to observe more and get deeper insight to our casting process. We established the data acquisition for these sensors, so for the thermal cameras and everything else that we have in the casting. And we are now, with the help of Metafacturing, able to correlate data with our process parameters and the process quality.